Priya Patel is a managing partner with Great Investment Ventures, and she is here to explain exactly what that is and a little bit about your background as well. And I know you're second generation Indian family, and you spent your early years in healthcare as well. So give me a little bit of your background, and then let's delve into what you're doing now.
Yeah, so thank you, Jane, for having me here. I really appreciate it. I do come from a healthcare background, and you're right, I am second generation Indian. My parents actually came from India, like many other Indians, really coming for a better education, career, and really to provide a better life for our families. So one of the core principles as I was growing up was saving. So saving, saving, saving. And every time we turned around, we talked about saving. So what we really wanted to focus on is creating financial security for our family. And that's why saving was a big aspect. But as I started kind of growing up, I started realizing that there's this other exciting part about finances, which is investing.
Yeah.
So that's what investing creates, financial prosperity. So what I was doing is, in the healthcare space, I was constantly wondering about how do I make this happen, right? Because this is really what was a big question of mine for many years. And what I found was that there's a product out there where we can structure having both saving and investment properties together. And when we found this, it was how do I share this with the community that I live in? How do I share this with the investment world? And that's what really led me into the financial world today.
Okay, and you created Great Investment Ventures?
Yes, we did.
Okay,
yes. Yep.
So tell me about that. What are your goals with GIV?
Yes, so the goals with GIVs is creating a accessibility to private institutional opportunities for our everyday investor, where we really provide a deep discount where people can invest early and really receive exceptional returns. So that's really what we're trying to provide in this space.
Mm-hmm. And then how does the structure work of GIV?
Yeah, so let me kind of also elaborate a little bit more about GIV to kind of feed into this a little bit. So when we look at, we also provide wealth. So we believe wealth should be generated at the investing point, which is day zero. So that's one thing. The second thing, GIV is actually a syndication platform. And what we do is provide equity opportunities, again, at private institutional grade for our investors that are specifically accredited or qualified throughout the United States. So what we do is use that power of syndication, where we take like-minded investors and entrepreneurs who are going to source, review, and structure an amazing opportunity for our investors. So this is also known as an alternative investment.
Okay.
So that's what GIV is really about.
Okay. So tell me, Priya, how is GIV structured?
Okay, so GIV is structured where we provide moonshot opportunities. So you co-participate and provide moonshot opportunities with passive income, and we also provide moonshot opportunities with capital protection. Okay. So it's really a full downside protection with an unlimited upside.
Yeah. No, I mean, I can see that. So you've got the potential for big gains, but yeah, you're protected.
Correct.
In some ways too. So
yes.
Then talk about the current opportunities that you're currently looking at.
Yeah. So first of all, we only look at one opportunity at a time, to be very clear, because we want to make sure that that is extremely successful. The current space that we're in is in the housing space. So we're looking at a product where it's a national housing organization. We're looking to build about 50 to 75,000 homes, where it's going to be built across probably the next 10 years. It's going to be about $10 to $12 billion worth of a project. So the neat thing is it's actually backed by a very exceptional real estate team, which we have about 100,000, they've had 100,000 homes that they've built themselves. And in addition, they have about $10 billion worth of real estate development they've had. Mm-hmm. So we believe we want to bring this to the table for our investors because this is going to be a potential moonshot opportunity. Okay. That's the financial aspects. From a social impact, though, every dollar that is earned, 51 cents is going to go back into public value creation. So the name GIV Partners. So let me tell you a little bit about the name GIV Partners. So we believe in giving at GIV. That is why the name was created. And it was created by a Patel family office, specifically the founder, Deepika Patel. So she came up with the name GIV because we believe in giving. We believe in giving back to the people that thrive in our community. We believe in giving back to the communities that we live in every day. We believe in giving back to the planet for future generations. So it's really, really important for us to give back. And with that said, let's build a better world together.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Priya.
Thank you.